1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, right to right. Prep. 5, 6, 7. We're going to go over the head on 1. Step to the side on 2. Now we're going to go palm up. 3. Now guys turn on 4. Hands at the neck. You're going to flick it with the left hand. 5. Catch it behind. 6, 7. Now we're going to open it up on 1. I'm going to start turning her on the right. 2. We're going to go back to back. Guys, spin on the left. 3. Follow her. 5. Now I want to step past her on the right side of the slot as I drape her. 6, 7. I'm starting to prep her hip. So now the right hand's going to go over the head on 1 as I go behind her for a turn. 1. Right hand goes down, left arm goes up. 2. We're going to step back to make her cross. 3. So now we're going to step forward. 5. Left hand goes down, right hand goes up. 6. So I'm pulling forward on 7 with the right hand. So now the left hand's going to stay low. The right hand's going to go in between us as we turn her on 1. Guys, turn left on 2. So now the right arm is going to start letting go as the left arm goes up and turns for 3. So we're going to let go of that hand, complete the turn. 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, prep. 5, 6, 7, double. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, forward and 1. We're going to go 1.5 right. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now start turning right away. 1 to the left. 1, 2, cross in front. 3. Start going back on 5 to the side of 6. Forward again on 7. Now we're going to go forward on 2.5 left. So we're going 1, 2, 3. You turn to the left. 5, 6, 7. Cross right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there!